Sarah.
I'm Cole.
I'm Eddie. I'm Carly.
Water is finite. Water is finite. Water is a limited resource. Nothing can live without water. The greatest misuse of water is by humans. Chemicals and trash have been dumped into many bodies of water, making it useless. Our future depends on making our actions now.
Our hypothesis. We studied that your lawn needs 1 inch of water. Most people water for a certain amount of time instead of measuring how much water their lawn receives. We think that it would save more water if you use a container marked with a 1 inch mark. When the water reaches that mark, your lawn has received enough water.
The world's water supply. 70.8% of the Earth's surface is covered by water. Only 3% of that water is fresh water. Only 97% of the Earth's water is not drinkable. The water on Earth now is the same water that was here when the dinosaurs lived.
Outdoor water waste. Overwatering lawns, watering leaves instead of just root systems. Mesquite trees suck in lots of water. Washing cars, entertainment such as playing in sprinklers, filling pools, and cleaning driveways.
Lawn watering concerns. Many people spend lots of money on plants, trees, and flowers. Landscape can affect the value of a home. Other options that can be used are gravel and drought-healthy plants. We are getting to a point in time when it's going to be water for our landscapes or water for us.
Our experiment. We used a water hose, sprinkler, collection container, measuring jugs, and a timer. We marked a 1 inch line on the containers. We turned on the water and set the timer for 15 minutes. Our container began to overflow. We measured the water we collected and recorded our findings. We collected 3/4 of a gallon of water.
Our experiment continues. We used a water hose, sprinkler, collection container, measuring jugs, and a timer. We marked a 1 inch line on the container. This time we just watered until we reached the 1 inch mark on our container. We collected only 1/2 a gallon of water.
Our conclusion. We proved our hypothesis that you can conserve more water by watering only 1 inch at a time rather than 15 minutes. Our proof. Using a measuring device to make sure that you only use 1 inch of water saves 1/2 gallon when measured on a small area of lawn. If you use this method, you could save a lot of water and still have a healthy and pretty lawn.
Our mentors. We would like to thank our mentors. Miss B, Mrs. C, Mrs. Guest, and Mrs. Pierce, and Mrs. Z.
This is where we found our research. Any questions?